Today, I will show you how to automatically forward specific emails in Gmail, not all emails, only the ones you choose. This is perfect if you want work emails or client messages sent to another account automatically. First, open Gmail on your computer because this does not work properly from the mobile app. Make sure you're logged into the Gmail account where the emails arrive. At the top search bar, click once inside it so you can use Gmail search filters. Type something that identifies the emails you want to forward, like the sender's email address. For example, type from example@gmail.com and press enter. Now Gmail shows only emails matching this condition. On the right side of the search bar, click the small filter icon and a filter window will open with your search rule already filled in. Double check the details, then click Create Filter at the bottom. Gmail will now ask what you want to do with these emails. Check the option that says Forward to, and if you already added a forwarding email before, select it from the list. If not, choose Add Forwarding Address. Enter the email address you want to forward to and click Next, and Gmail will send a confirmation code to that email address. Open the other inbox, copy the confirmation code, and come back to Gmail. From now on, only emails matching this rule will be forwarded automatically. Old emails will not be forwarded unless you choose that option manually. This method keeps your inbox clean and saves you a lot of time, and if this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips.